Adobe Sensei, the AI revolution for creatives. Are you tired of the tedious, time-consuming tasks that get in the way of your creative flow? Imagine a world where your software anticipates your needs, automates the boring stuff, and helps you achieve your vision faster than ever before. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of Adobe Sensei. It's the AI and machine learning engine that's woven into the very fabric of the Adobe Creative Cloud, and it's here to transform how you work. The creative bottleneck, unleashing your potential. Every creative professional knows the struggle. We get bogged down in repetitive, manual tasks, removing an unwanted object from a photo, manually rotoscoping a video frame by frame, or endlessly resizing a single design for a dozen different platforms.
These are the moments that kill creativity and drain your energy.
Adobe Sensei was built to solve this. It's not about replacing you, it's about making you a creative genius by handling the heavy lifting. By automating the technical grunt work, Sensei frees up your most valuable resource, your imagination. It takes on the digital drudgery, allowing you to focus on the core creative decisions that only a human mind can make. This partnership between human and machine is what defines the next era of digital artistry, enabling you to produce more and better creative work than you ever thought possible. How Adobe Sensei works: the magic in the apps. Adobe Sensei isn't a separate tool you download. It's a deep learning layer that's already hard at work in your favorite Adobe applications, constantly learning from millions of creative projects. It uses advanced algorithms to understand your content and the tasks you're trying to accomplish. For example, in Photoshop, it powers features like Content-Aware Fill, which has become an industry standard. You simply select an object, hit a button, and Sensei intelligently fills the space with surrounding pixels, making it vanish in seconds. More recently, Generative Fill takes this to an entirely new level. With a simple text prompt, you can add or remove objects from an image with stunning realism. Want to add a vintage typewriter to a desk? Just type it in. Need to extend the background of a photograph? Generative Fill seamlessly expands the canvas and creates a new, realistic environment. The new neural filters also use Sensei to apply sophisticated effects with a single click, from transforming a photo into an oil painting to changing a person's expression or age. In Premiere Pro, the Auto Reframe feature analyzes your video, identifies the main subject, and automatically reframes the footage to fit any aspect ratio, from a cinematic widescreen to a vertical format for TikTok, without losing the action. Even more powerfully, text-based editing uses AI to transcribe your video footage, allowing you to edit the video simply by cutting text from the transcript.
It's a revolutionary way to edit, and it's all powered by Sensei. It also automatically generates accurate captions, saving editors countless hours. In Adobe Audition, it helps you clean up audio by automatically identifying and removing background noise, echoes, or static, ensuring your sound is pristine. In Illustrator, Recolor Artwork uses Sensei to analyze your image and generate a variety of stunning color palettes for you to choose from instantly, saving you from a tedious process of manual color testing. On top of that, its generative recolor feature allows you to describe a mood or theme like mossy forest or gothic horror, and it will produce dozens of new color variations for your vector artwork. These aren't just one-off features, they are a seamless, intuitive part of the creative process that empowers you with a whole new range of creative possibilities. Adobe After Effects uses AI-powered tools like RotoBrush 2.0 to intelligently isolate a subject from its background in a fraction of the time, making complex visual effects far more accessible. Even in Lightroom, Sensei's eye can intelligently select subjects, skies, or specific parts of a photograph for precise, localized adjustments. The key benefits: your competitive edge. Adobe Sensei offers a range of powerful benefits that give you a competitive edge. Massive time savings. This is the most significant benefit. By automating tasks that used to take minutes or even hours, Sensei dramatically speeds up your workflow. Consider a social media marketer who needs to adapt a single ad design for 10 different platforms. Manually, this would be a time-consuming, repetitive task. With Sensei's smart resizing features, it can be done in minutes, allowing the marketer to focus on campaign strategy instead. An animator can now use AI to rotoscope a character in minutes, rather than spending an entire day manually tracing each frame. This is a game changer for productivity. Enhanced creativity. With the repetitive tasks out of the way, you have more time to experiment, iterate, and innovate. Sensei acts as a creative assistant, providing new ideas and solutions that you might never have considered on your own. It can suggest new color palettes, generate fresh images from your descriptions, or offer different layout options, sparking inspiration and helping you push the boundaries of your craft. Intelligent automation. Sensei intelligently tags your assets in platforms like Lightroom and Adobe Stock, making them searchable by visual content rather than just keywords. It recognizes objects, faces, and scenes, so you can find a photo of a dog running on a beach in seconds, even if it was never manually tagged. The select subject and remove background features in Photoshop are perfect examples of this, using AI to accurately identify a subject with a single click, saving you from complex manual selections.
Superior quality. Sensei's AI-driven tools often produce more precise and professional results than manual methods. Features like auto-tone in Photoshop or auto-ducking in Premiere Pro, which automatically lowers music volume when someone is speaking, ensure a high-quality, polished final product with minimal effort. This consistency and precision elevate the final output, giving your work a professional finish every time. Seamless integration. Since Sensei is built into the Adobe ecosystem, these powerful features work together across applications. The intelligence learned in Photoshop can be applied to Premiere Pro and vice versa, creating a truly unified and smart creative workflow. This means your projects can flow effortlessly from one app to the next, with AI intelligence maintaining continuity at every step. For example, a designer creates a mood board in Photoshop with AI, then moves it to Illustrator to vectorize elements, with Sensei automatically recognizing and suggesting new color palettes. That same intelligence then helps organize those assets in the cloud for a video editor in Premiere Pro, making the entire creative pipeline incredibly efficient. A day in the life of an AI-powered creative. Imagine this: you get a new project brief to create a series of social media ads. You start in Photoshop with a single stock photo. You use generative fill to extend the background and add a few new elements, then use neural filters to give it a specific aesthetic. With the core image done, you move to Illustrator, where generative recolor instantly gives you a dozen new color palettes to match your brand's mood. Finally, you take the assets into Premiere Pro, where AI automatically crops your video clips for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, and a simple command adds captions and adjusts the audio levels. What would have taken an entire week of grueling work is now done in a single afternoon. This is the reality of a creative workflow powered by Adobe Sensei. Who is Adobe Sensei for? Adobe Sensei is for anyone who uses Adobe's creative tools and wants to work smarter, not harder. Graphic designers and photographers for flawless photo edits, intelligent layout suggestions, and rapid asset management. Video editors and animators to automate tedious video reframing, audio mixing, and rotoscoping, freeing you to focus on storytelling. Marketers and social media managers for creating large volumes of polished, brand-consistent content and ads for different platforms quickly. Students and hobbyists to simplify complex tasks and lower the barrier to entry for professional-level creative work.
The future of creativity is collaborative. Adobe Sensei isn't a replacement for human creativity. It's the ultimate creative partner. It handles the mundane so you can focus on the magical. It allows you to push the boundaries of your craft, explore new ideas, and deliver professional quality work at a speed you never thought possible. With Adobe Sensei, the future of creativity is a dynamic collaboration between your brilliant mind and an intelligent machine. Visit the Adobe Creative Cloud today to experience Adobe Sensei's power for yourself. Don't just make content, create magic with AI. If this video helped you understand the power of Adobe Sensei, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the tools that are revolutionizing the creative world.